So guys, welcome to my channel. So first method, go to www.gigabyte.com. This is the official website, so you can download the driver Gigabyte any devices. So you can see right hand side, just search bar, you just enter your model number of your motherboard, X870E AORUS XTREME AI top, and then hit enter. After that, you can see here the click on product. This is different AMD support and RAM also. So configuration sort there. Click on here on title on motherboard. After that, click on support. Then guys, select your operating system, which is using Windows 10 and 11. If you have a different like Windows 10, so you can follow this method to install this driver. Okay. So first of all, this is audio driver. Just click to download. When you click on download, after you can see here, use any browser. You can see here automatically start the browsing. It is depend about your internet. If your internet if you have good internet speed, so you can download easily and fast. Then click to downloaded X WinRAR file. Then you can see this is open. After that, you can see here the access exe, and just click on double click on the driver. This is actually extracted file. So after you click on this setup, so automatically extract to your system. After that, you can see the required access like that, yes or no. This is required administrator rights for installations, then click yes. After, you can see this is totally extracting driver to your system. Now you can see here this is installing audio driver. So it is done. After, you can see it is downloaded. Okay, close it.